ASE Practice Test 2026 Automotive Service Excellence Full Course Engine Maintenance Skills. Question 1. Which of the following is the standard interval for checking engine oil level? A. Every 10,000 miles. B. At every fuel fill-up or weekly. C. Only when the low oil light comes on. Or D. Once a year. The correct answer is B. At every fuel fill-up or weekly. Regular checks help detect leaks or consumption issues before damage occurs. Question 2. A customer's engine oil is milky. What maintenance issue does this suggest? A. The oil is too old. B. Coolant is leaking into the oil. C. The wrong viscosity was used. Or D. Normal wear. The correct answer is B. Coolant is leaking into the oil. Milky oil is a classic sign of an internal coolant leak, head gasket or oil cooler failure. Question 3. When performing a cooling system flush, what is the best way to ensure all air is removed? A. Drive the car immediately. B. Use a vacuum refill tool or open the air bleed screws. C. Leave the radiator cap off forever. Or D. Fill it until it overflows. The correct answer is B. Use a vacuum refill tool or open the air bleed screws. Air pockets cause localized overheating. Bleed screws or vacuum fillers are the professional way to ensure a full system. Question 4. Technician A says that long-life coolant never needs to be changed. Technician B says that coolant pH should be tested to check for acidity. Who is correct? A. A only. B. B only. C. Both A and B. Or D. Neither A nor B. The correct answer is B. B only. Even long-life coolant eventually loses its corrosion inhibitors. Testing pH ensures the protection is still active. Question 5. What is the primary purpose of the PCV, positive crankcase ventilation, valve? A. To cool the oil. B. To vent crankcase vapors back into the intake for combustion. C. To increase fuel pressure. Or D. To lubricate the throttle body. The correct answer is B. To vent crankcase vapors back into the intake for combustion. The PCV system prevents sludge buildup and reduces emissions by burning off crankcase gases. Question 6. A serpentine belt should be replaced if it shows A. More than 3 cracks per inch in one rib. B. Any dust on the pulleys. C. The color black. Or D. A smooth back side. The correct answer is A. More than 3 cracks per inch in one rib. Excessive cracking or chunking of the ribs indicates the rubber has failed and the belt is at risk of snapping. Question 7. When changing an oil filter, what must the technician ensure is removed from the engine block? A. The old oil. B. The old filter's rubber gasket, O-ring. C. The filter threads. Or D. The oil pump. The correct answer is B. The old filter's rubber gasket, O-ring. If the old gasket stays on the block, double gasketing, the new filter will leak or blow off under pressure. Question 8. Which tool is used to check the freeze protection level of engine coolant? A. Hydrometer or refractometer. B. Micrometer. C. Pressure tester. Or D. Thermometer. The correct answer is A. Hydrometer or refractometer. These tools measure the density or light refraction of the mixture to determine the concentration of antifreeze. Question 9. Technician A says that synthetic oil allows for longer drain intervals than conventional oil. Technician B says that synthetic oil is only for high-performance engines. Who is correct? A. A only. B. B only. C. Both A and B. Or D. Neither A nor B. The correct answer is A. A only. Synthetic oil resists breakdown better, allowing for longer intervals, but it can be used in almost any modern engine. Question 10. A restricted air filter will most likely cause A. Higher oil pressure. B. Reduced fuel economy and loss of power. C. Faster idle speed. Or D. Lower coolant temperature. The correct answer is B. Reduced fuel economy and loss of power. A dirty filter chokes the engine, requiring more throttle to achieve the same power, which wastes fuel. Question 11. What is the purpose of the oil pressure relief valve? A. To keep oil from leaking out of the engine. B. To prevent excessively high oil pressure when the engine is cold or at high RPM. C. To drain the oil. Or D. To lubricate the cam's haft. The correct answer is B. To prevent excessively high oil pressure when the engine is cold or at high RPM. The relief valve opens to bypass oil back to the pan if pressure gets too high, protecting seals in the filter. Question 12. An engine sludge condition is usually the result of A. Using high-octane fuel. B. Neglecting oil changes. C. Driving only on highways. Or D. Using a magnetic drain plug. The correct answer is B. Neglecting oil changes. Old oil breaks down and mixes with contaminants to form a thick, jelly-like sludge that blocks oil passages. Question 13. Which type of water should be mixed with concentrated antifreeze for the best cooling system protection? A. Tap water. B. Distilled or deionized water. C. Salt water. Or D. Well water. The correct answer is B. Distilled or deionized water. Distilled water lacks minerals that cause scale and corrosion in the radiator and engine block. Question 14. Technician A says a clicking sound from the top of the engine could be low oil level. Technician B says a clicking sound could be a worn hydraulic lifter. Who is right? A. A only. B. B only. C. Both A and B. Or D. Neither A nor B. The correct answer is C. Both A and B. Low oil prevents lifters from pumping up, and a worn lifter can fail to hold pressure, both causing valve clatter. Question 15. When checking a timing belt, what is a sign it needs immediate replacement? A. Being made of rubber. B. Fraying at the edges or missing teeth. C. The presence of a plastic cover. Or D. The brand name being worn off. The correct answer is B. Fraying at the edges or missing teeth. Fraying or missing teeth are signs of imminent belt failure, which can destroy an interference engine. Question 16. A cabin air filter is part of which system maintenance? A. Engine air intake. B. HVAC, heating/air conditioning. C. Exhaust. Or D. Transmission. The correct answer is B. HVAC, heating/air conditioning. Cabin filters clean the air entering the passenger compartment, not the engine. Question 17. Which of these should be done at every oil change? A. Replace the spark plugs. B. Inspect the brakes and tires. C. Rebuild the carburetor. Or D. Flush the transmission. The correct answer is B. Inspect the brakes and tires. A safety inspection is part of professional maintenance service. Question 18. Technician A says that a cooling system pressure test can find external leaks. Technician B says it can also find internal leaks like a blown head gasket. Who is right? A. A only. B. B only. C. Both A and B. Or D. Neither A nor B. The correct answer is C. Both A and B. A pressure tester helps identify where coolant is escaping, whether it's out of a hose or into a cylinder. Question 19. What is the function of the T-stat thermostat? A. To measure engine oil temperature. B. To regulate the flow of coolant to maintain operating temperature. C. To turn on the electric fan. Or D. To heat the passenger cabin. The correct answer is B. To regulate the flow of coolant to maintain operating temperature. The thermostat stays closed to help the engine warm up quickly and opens to allow cooling once at temp. Question 20. The API symbol on an oil container identifies A. The price of the oil. B. The oil's performance rating and service category. C. The weight of the bottle. Or D. The location where it was refined. The correct answer is B. The oil's performance rating and service category. The API, American Petroleum Institute, donut indicates the oil meets specific standards for engine protection, example SP, SN.